And the buying process is really easy. I mean, Tabor just has it. It's quite amazing. They have everything down to a science. You don't really have to think about it because they're going to send you the emails to let you know, okay, this is coming up. This is what you have to do. This is where you need to be. So it's a seamless process. My name is Brittina Okokon, and we live in Magnolia Ridge in Edmond.
And my name is Effiong Okokon.
What was the favorite part? I don't know. I think all of it was because it was just so seamless, no hiccups. Everything just went boom, 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 no issues. At first we wanted a larger home, but then we decided we didn't need a larger home. It's just two of us, and the price was a little bit better for us, so we chose the white series instead of going a little higher on the price. Oh, I know what's my favorite thing about my new home is the pantry, because I didn't have a pantry. So now I have a pantry where I can just walk in there and get what I need. So yes, that's my favorite part, is the pantry.
My favorite part of the new home is having no carpet in the house. I don't have to vacuum, and that is it. Probably the shower. I like the shower a lot better. Since it's a walk-in shower, I don't need a sliding door for that now. So that is one of my favorite things anyway.
Our experience with them, with the warranty department, has been good. There were some hiccups. There's always hiccups when you buy a new house, but they come out within 24 hours. Typically, they come out the same day and take care of the problem. We would definitely recommend Tabor for our friends and families. I mean, I talk about them all the time. It's like at church, these people was looking for a house in our Sunday school class. I said, you need to go to Tabor. They have plenty of selection. So yes, I do talk about Tabor. They're really, really good company. The buying process, I just felt it was just so good. I mean, I can't say enough about Tabor and the people that work for Tabor. The closing was seamless. It's just, I've just been amazed